I've got the ultimate comparison video today. I am going to be showing you 3 Milano wigs. I have them all in curly and they're all in brunette, but all of these wigs come in many other colors. They come in straight versions, and Milano has customization options. So you can customize the color, you can customize the texture, you can customize the cut. Their caps come in extra small to extra large. I think there's 5 different cap sizes available. You can find what you're looking for at Milano. So if you aren't interested in curly, because all 3 of the wigs I'm going to show you today are the curly version, but you don't have to get curly. You can get straight. And if you're not into the brunettes, then you can get blondes and reds and everything in between. So I really think this video is going to help any woman who might ever be in need of a human hair wig of any sort. Really, this video is going to help you, and I'm excited about it. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here today in partnership with Milano Hair, Milano Wigs, because I love them. I have shared wigs from Milano for years. I own a hat wig from them, and I own a Bandfall, otherwise known as a headband wig from them, and I own a regular wig from them. I have multiple videos on YouTube showing Milano wigs. I have loved them since I started wearing human hair wigs, and I love what they have to offer. Not only do they have probably the most variety that I have seen in the human hair wig world, just in stock, but they offer so many customization options that are not easy to find. They do video consults. They have in-person salons, New York, Florida, California, I think Texas. So you can visit them in person, you can consult with them virtually, and you can have them make what you need. Cap size, style, they have different cap types. Truly, if you've struggled, this is your solution potentially. You can work with them to get what you're looking for. I can save you 10% off a purchase at Milano. They've given me a coupon code to share with you guys. And because I have personal long-term experience with them, my Bandfall is 3.5 years old and it's still going strong. I can highly and confidently recommend them. And like I said in the intro, they have tons and tons of choices. In this video today, I am going to show you the ponytail wig that they offer in the short 16-inch length. I think this is the shortest length, but they do have longer options. And I cannot tell you how many times I've been asked if I've tried their ponytail wigs. Well, I have now. I also have a brand new Bandfall. So this is the wig that I own that I've had for 3.5 years. I still have my original. I actually just recently put an update video on that one. And I will do a comparison of mine with this one. I probably won't do that in this video. It'll be long enough. But I will do a comparison so you'll be able to see a brand spanking new curly Bandfall and my 3.5-year-old one. And I got this one in the same color. So you can see what's happened with the color as well. So this is a Bandfall. This is a 20-inch. I have this one in the color dark brown balayage. I have this one in the color medium brown balayage because I've wanted to compare those colors forever. And I've got their hat wig. And this one I have in the color medium brown baby light. This is also a 16-inch. What I love is that if you're trying to avoid anyone knowing that you're wearing wigs, if you're really afraid somebody's going to know, my recommendation is always to get multiples of the same wig and then just rotate them because it's going to extend the life of all of them. And you never know if one will need to be washed or something will happen. But when it comes to human hair, something like this could actually give you so much peace of mind. You could get 3 different types of wigs. A full wig, because their ponytail wig is also a full wig. It doesn't have to be worn in a ponytail. You can get a headband wig and a hat wig, all in the same color, all in the same length, all in the same texture, whether it's wavy, curly, or straight, and then just wear whichever one makes the most sense for what it is you're doing. It's going to look like your hair. It's all going to look exactly the same. There's zero chance somebody's going to know. And you'll have these wigs for years. I mean, my headband wig is going strong, and I've had it for 3.5 years. So I really think if that's a goal of yours, this is going to satisfy that goal. Let me tell you a little bit about these pieces. It's important to mention, this is going to be a broad overview of all of these pieces. In order to review them in depth, I really need a separate video. So I will do that. I will review the ponytail wig in depth. I'll review the other two pieces in depth. So if you're just looking at one of these styles, you can learn all the ins and outs. I will make sure if those videos are out, they'll be linked below. If they're not, that means I have not released them yet. Here's my best tip for you. If you want to make sure that you see the videos that I put out, you've got to engage with them. You have to like my videos and comment on my videos and make sure you're subscribed, because that's going to ensure that the algorithm is going to show you the videos when you're scrolling through. As you scroll through YouTube, mine will be part of the scroll. If all you do is watch my videos, but you never really comment, maybe you like, maybe you don't, you might not see them. I have heard from people who say, I never see your videos anymore. You've got to engage with them. Every video, even if it's not a video that you typically watch, if you see it, take a moment to like it, because you want to make sure that the algorithm serves the videos that matter up to you as well. And that's the best way to ensure that'll happen. That way, when I put out the in-depth videos, hopefully you'll see them and you won't have to go try to find them. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is the hair. So all of the wigs that Milano carries is made with Remy human hair. Remy just means all of the cuticles are aligned in the same direction. Cuticles are somewhat like shingles. They've got a texture to them, and when they're all going in the same direction, the bumps in the shingles are all going in the same direction. When you have wigs that aren't Remy and the hair's been mixed up, that's when you can have terrible tangling and knotting and just awful dreadlocks happening with the hair. I have a whole video where I talk about Remy hair, and I can make sure that's linked below in case you're new and you've never heard of that before. They call these premium processed Remy hair. The processed part, all wigs go through processing. Every single wig you buy on the market has some sort of processing done to them. In the case of these, they're colored. These curly wigs are generally permed. They're not naturally curly. And so that's part of the premium processing as well. And so that's all of these have that same premium processed hair. One of the things that I love is that you can choose your cap type on some of these, especially the full wigs. I'm going to put up on the screen here the Milano website really quickly so you can see what I mean. As you're on the website, you've got a bunch of selections you can make, drop-down boxes that allow you to choose things like the cap size, potentially the hair length, although most of the time they've got their wigs grouped in different lengths. So the 20-inch of the ponytail wig is going to be a different listing than the 16-inch. But you can also choose to have the hair cut, a custom cut. That's a drop-down option. They have some different cap types that you can choose, which is so awesome. So if you want something, if maybe you've got no hair at all, so it's really important to you to get some comfort features on your caps, you can choose that. This cap right here is just what comes standard. So this is the ponytail wig with none of those special comfort features. We've got a comb in the front, and we've got clips both on the sides and also on the ear tab area. So you can clip this into your bio hair and give you even more security, which can be really helpful if you're going to wear it into a high ponytail. You want to make sure it's secure on your head when you do that. We also have a big comb in the back. I like to tuck these into my wig grip. So I'll take it and I'll tuck it into the bottom of my wig grip, and that's going to help give me extra security without it slipping up in the back. If you can't use these, like these clips, I can't use them and they actually bother me because they catch on the little bit of hair that I do have. I just take a seam ripper and cut them out. So you can leave them. You can also get wigs without these. You can get a wig with a velvet wig grip sewn inside of it. There's so many things that you can do. And I also love that this is a silk top. So we've got no itchy lace up here, but you still get the natural parting because the silk is covered up with the material. So a silk top just looks like scalp. You see no knots on a silk top wig. So their ponytail wig comes with that silk top wig. And then we also have a lace front, and they've taken and added a little bit of that silk material right here so that you don't see a hard line from when the silk ends and the lace begins. That can be a challenge with silk tops. So they really think about a lot of the details when they make these wigs, but they give you a lot of other options because we're not all the same and we don't all have the same needs. So this is their hat wig, and they actually make probably my favorite hat wig. I've actually tried a ton of hat wigs. Well, some features on this hat wig are my favorites. Some actually aren't. But what I love is the top of this hat wig. This has this super soft t-shirt material. It's like a microfiber t-shirt material. It is amazing. It's soft, it's stretchy, it's not itchy at all. There's a little bit of velvet on the edge of the t-shirt material. And then inside we've got open wefting. That part's not my favorite. I don't love the wefting on their hat wigs. I would much prefer closed wefting, but that's personal. I know a lot of people like the open wefting. They find it a lot cooler. That's not my preference. We also have a comb for security, and then we do have hook adjusters, so you can adjust the size on this one. But I have had my hat wig from them. I think I bought my hat wig before I bought my Bandfall. I'm not 100%. It might be the opposite direction. I bought them really close together though. And so I love how soft this is on my head, how comfortable this is on my head. One of the reasons why I love these hat wigs so much is because they don't have ear tabs. And when I wear a hat wig, I do not like the extra bulk of the ear tab here at all. I like to be able to tuck the hair behind my ears. This is how I've always worn hats, and having ear tabs there makes that really, really challenging. I just pull out my own bio hair and I blend it with the hat. If you don't have bio hair, keep in mind that these don't have ear tabs. You do not have to tuck. I get plenty of coverage from these hat wigs when I don't tuck the hair behind my ears. So you don't have to do that. And I do think you're going to have good coverage with these, but that may vary. I do know a wig sister who can't really wear these Milano hat wigs because she doesn't get excellent coverage and she doesn't have any bio hair. So it's the one caution I'll give you about their hat wigs. But they're perfect for, with every hat I've ever tried, you can't see the top. It's perfectly hidden. I've worn them with trucker hats. I just love these wigs so much, and it's so comfortable. And the wig itself acts like a wig grip. So I'm not ever worried about my hat blowing off. It's so secure. I just make sure it's tight enough. And I've been in gale force winds with hat wigs and the hat hasn't gone anywhere. So I just love the ease of wearing a hat, any hat. I've worn every type of hat you can think of with these, and I love that. But the ear tabs may be necessary for you, and you can always talk to Milano about what your options are. I would cut out these clips because, again, I don't like them. They pull and they're uncomfortable to me, but you might find the extra security that they offer necessary. So I love that it's added and it can be easily removed. And what really made me fall in love with Milano is their headband wig. I love my headband wig from them so much. I actually just washed mine today so I could do a comparison with a brand new one. So I'm not going to pull that out in this video, but I will get that filmed as quickly as I can. So I'll get that video out in case you want to see how well this one has been wearing. But this is a real basic cap inside. We've got a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and we've got those pressure clips on the sides for security. Again, the combs I leave, the clips I take out, and I always wear my headband wigs with a wig grip because I find that it helps really secure it on my head, and they don't go anywhere. I have worn my headband wigs in every possible scenario, and I've never had an issue. The one caution I'll give you, and again, I will have more in-depth videos on each of these pieces individually, but the one caution I will give you is this headband wig has a lot of hair. I think the perm contributes to that. If you were to get a straight one, I'm not sure it would feel like quite as much hair, but there is a lot of hair. So this is their 20-inch, the longer, which is also the same inch, same length I have on my personal one. I actually thinned mine out. And so I found this was a lot of hair. This is one of the first human hair wigs I ever got. And I found that it was a lot of hair, so I thinned mine out. And one thing I love about curly wigs is they're so forgiving. If you want to cut length, if you want to thin, you don't have to be that skilled because you'll never be able to tell if it's even because of the curl. And I just take these wide cloth headbands. I have a ton of them, and I can link my favorites. I have a whole bunch in my Amazon store that I really like. And also a company called naturallife.com makes they call them bandeaus. You can wear them like a tube top, which I can. I'm not skinny enough for that. Or a headband, which they're perfect for. So those are two places I'd recommend looking for cloth headbands. But so easy, and nobody is going to know that you have a wig on. And it's so casual, but it can also be dressy. If you can find fancy headbands and you like that look, it can be so dressy. And it's a foolproof way of wearing a wig and not being nervous that somebody can tell. And also, please remember, these have not been customized. I have a ponytail holder here. I am sure of it. I do. You do have to customize your wigs, especially human hair wigs. Generally, you're not going to find as much variety of style, length, layers, as you will in the synthetic wig world. So human hair wigs are generally expected to be customized, custom cut, length cut, layers cut. None of these have had that done. So you should be prepared if you're going to wear human hair to get them customized. Hopefully you can find yourself a stylist, local stylist, because it's always best to have them cut on your head. But if you cannot, I have some resources for you that I can share with you of very skilled and experienced stylists who do wig mail-in services. They can do a video consult with you, learn what it is you're looking for. You send them your wig and they will do it for you. You can wear it in a ponytail. You could throw it in a loose braid in the back. You can wear it with a headband. You could wear a hat with it, but I personally find them too heavy and thick up on the top for that. But some people love it and they do it. You just can't wear it by itself because it has a hard front. But this is really what made me fall in love in the first place with Milano. They were the first place I found that I could get a curly wig, which I desperately wanted. And so they won my heart with that as well. This has a ton of hair, you guys, but it can be fixed. So that's it for this video. Just a general overview of Milano wigs and some of the offerings. Again, they carry all the textures: straight, curly, colors, cap sizes, lengths, more thick, dense wigs. They've got very light density wigs. They have wigs for kids. I just think they're a great resource. So if you've been struggling or maybe you're unsure what will work for you, do a consult with them. Chat it out, tell them what you're hoping for, and have them help make some recommendations. I can save you 10% with a coupon in the description box. And again, I owe you some other videos. I'm going to do some in-depth individual videos for these styles. I'm going to do a comparison of my 3.5-year-old headband wig with this newer one. And then I'm going to do a color comparison so that we can understand these brunettes a little bit better. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this helps someone out there who just hasn't really been sure what to do, and that this gives you some direction and some options. And I'd just like to thank Milano for the opportunity to do this and to show this to all my wig sisters and for me, because I do love them and I have really wondered about these colors. And now I know what the differences are, and that makes me super happy. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys soon.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.